Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the natural world and the efforts to preserve it for future generations. The Phoenix Species Project aims to recover 100 critically endangered species from around the world, spanning multiple taxonomic groups, habitats, and countries. This ambitious project has received a $200 million commitment, making it the largest single philanthropic initiative dedicated exclusively to the recovery of critically endangered species. The project's goal is not just to prevent extinction, but to actively work towards recovering these species and restoring the ecosystems they inhabit. By supporting conservation efforts on the ground, the Phoenix Species Project hopes to give these species a second chance at thriving. From the golden-crowned sifaka in Madagascar to other endangered animals, plants, and insects, this project is a beacon of hope for the natural world. The initiative recognizes that species on the brink of extinction often play a crucial role in maintaining healthy ecosystems, and by protecting them, we're also safeguarding the forests, wetlands, grasslands, and oceans they depend on. As DiCaprio himself noted, when we protect those species, we also protect the landscapes that give people drinking water. We open real ecotourism opportunities for local communities, and we prove that conservation succeeds only when everyone has a role in it. The Phoenix Species Project is a testament to what can be achieved when organizations, scientists, conservationists, and local communities come together to address the biodiversity crisis. We'll be keeping a close eye on this project and sharing updates as more information becomes available. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. We're exploring the fascinating world of wildlife and conservation, and I'm excited to share with you a story that highlights the importance of community involvement in protecting our planet's precious species. In the Himalayan foothills of Nepal, a unique bird has long fascinated ornithologists and bird enthusiasts alike. The spiny babbler, also known as Turdoides nepalensis, is Nepal's only endemic bird species, found nowhere else on Earth. Despite its exclusive range, the spiny babbler remains somewhat of an enigma, with many aspects of its behavior and habitat preferences still not fully understood. Researchers like Rakshitha Kuri have dedicated themselves to studying this intriguing bird, often venturing into remote areas to gather data on its population trends and ecological requirements. By engaging with local communities and collaborating with international experts, scientists are slowly unraveling the mysteries surrounding the spiny babbler's distribution, breeding patterns, and migratory habits. One of the key challenges in conserving the spiny babbler is the widespread perception that scrublands and shrublands, its primary habitats, are wastelands devoid of value. This misconception has led to the clearance of these areas for agricultural purposes or afforestation efforts, further threatening the bird's already limited range. The good news is that Nepal's bird-watching community has become a powerful force in promoting the conservation of the spiny babbler and its habitats. By supporting ecotourism initiatives and advocating for the protection of critical wildlife areas, enthusiasts are helping to raise awareness about the importance of preserving biodiversity in the region. As we continue to learn more about the spiny babbler and its place within Nepal's rich natural heritage, it becomes increasingly clear that collaborative efforts between scientists, policymakers, and local stakeholders are essential for ensuring the long-term survival of this remarkable species. By working together, we can safeguard not only the spiny babbler, but also the integrity of ecosystems that support a wide range of plant and animal life. As we conclude our journey through the natural world today, we have a remarkable story of conservation and restoration from the UK. Imagine a landscape once home to a majestic species, now returned after a 200-year absence. This is the tale of the white-tailed eagles on Exmoor. In a groundbreaking project, 6 young white-tailed eagles have been released into the wilds of Exmoor National Park by Forestry England and the Roy Dennis Wildlife Foundation. This initiative aims to restore biodiversity to the area, with up to 20 additional eagles set to join them over the next 3 years. The Environment Secretary, Angela Eagle, has hailed this effort as a testament to the government's commitment to reversing nature's decline. But why Exmoor? The choice of location is not arbitrary. Historical records show that white-tailed eagles once bred along the Exmoor coastline, which still offers ideal habitats for foraging and breeding. Data from previously released eagles also indicates that they have frequently visited this area, making it an ideal spot for reintroduction. The process of bringing these eagles to Exmoor is meticulous. The young birds were collected under a Nature Scout license from the wild in Scotland, ensuring that only one chick was taken from each nest and that all birds were checked for health issues like bird flu before release. Each eagle has been fitted with a satellite tracker, allowing the project team to monitor their progress as they explore their new home and beyond. The return of the white-tailed eagles is expected to have a significant positive impact on the local ecosystem. As apex predators, they play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine and land-based ecosystems. However, not everyone is equally enthusiastic about their return. Some farmers have expressed concerns about potential impacts on livestock, though evidence from Europe suggests that such interactions are rare. Despite these concerns, the project moves forward with caution and consultation. The Roy Dennis Wildlife Foundation and other involved parties are committed to addressing farmer concerns and providing support where needed. This reintroduction effort is a prime example of how conservation can proceed with careful planning and community engagement. As we wrap up today's nature walk, we're reminded that even in the face of decline, there is always hope for renewal. The story of the white-tailed eagles on Exmoor teaches us about the importance of preserving our natural heritage and the possibilities that arise when we work together towards a common goal. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.